Exercise 2. According to the given descriptions, determine the type of immunity and complete the text with the necessary terms. Artificially acquired active immunity. Naturally acquired active immunity. Naturally acquired passive immunity. Artificially acquired passive immunity. Types of immunity. Immunity may be a naturally acquired active immunity if a person is exposed to a living pathogen, subsequently develops disease, and then becomes resistant to that disease as a result of having produced T cells that serve as a memory cells. That is, if the lymphocytes meet up with the same antigen again, they can respond appropriately, already having been sensitized to the antigen from the first encounter. An artificially acquired active immunity can be produced in response to a vaccine. A vaccine may present antigen that stimulates an immunity response against the disease-causing agent without actually producing symptoms of disease. Vaccines may contain viruses or bacteria that have been killed or weakened so that the severe symptoms of disease cannot be produced. They also may contain toxins of an infectious organism that have been modified in such a way so as to eliminate any toxic reasons. In each case, the antigen retains enough characteristics to stimulate the necessary immune response. Examples of such vaccines include those for diphtheria, pertussis, whooping cough, tetanus, polio, rubella, measles, mumps, cholera, and typhoid fever. On some occasions, a person requires protection against pathogenic organisms but lacks the time necessary for active immunity. Under such circumstances, injections of gamma globulin fraction from the blood of persons already having immunity are given. This action provides the recipient with a temporary immunity usually lasting no more than a few weeks. Immunity received in this way is known as artificially acquired passive immunity. It is said to be passive because no antibodies are actually produced by the recipient. Since the lymphocytes of this individual have not been activated, that person remains susceptible to the pathogen involved after the passive immunity expires. Yet another type of immunity is possible. During pregnancy, it is possible for selected antibodies to pass from the maternal bloodstream to the fetal bloodstream. The fetus thus acquires a temporary immunity to the pathogens for which the mother had developed active immunity. The fetus can be described as having naturally acquired passive immunity, protecting it from the diseases affected in some cases for up to a year.